Hello, everybody. Today we are playing Train and Rail Simulator, and this is part two. So I'm going to play, and then switching and freight delivery. Go to scenario 5, random freight for steam power right here, and you'll see something strange. Something with one of the locomotives. I don't think they changed it, but I think this is the rarest thing in Train and Rail Yard Simulator. Rarer than the red hopper car. Honestly, I don't know how to enable it yet, but it does exist, I think. Look at this tender. A huge tender. How? And the biggest question, why did they make it long here and not anywhere else? Now that's strange. However, this is a Southern Pacific. Well, it's not really a daylight. Well, this is a Southern Pacific locomotive. Right next. Oh yeah, they never updated the Challenger. This version of the Challenger, I remember. Weird. It looks weird looking at it from this angle. It looks like missing stuff. I think some of the locomotives were different. They updated the hopper cars. No, the darker ones. I think that's still the same on that one. But the Daylight's tender is like, it's long, 2 times longer instead of the boxy tender, which was like, you know how it was like? It was boxy, it like derails easily, which is why I don't like the box tender, like this one better. But I still have no idea why they put this tender instead. And they still have the old Challenger. Well, guess that's it for now.